Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. Today, we're talking about big data in everyday life, how it affects you. Picture this, you're unwinding after a long day, you open your favorite streaming app and voila, it suggests a movie that mirrors your current mood. It's like your streaming app can read your mind. But what's the secret behind this seemingly psychic power? The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is big data. Now you might be wondering, what's big data? Well, it's the colossal amount of information generated every single moment from various sources like social media, online transactions, and smart devices. This data is then collected, analyzed, and used to reveal patterns, trends, and insights that influence the decisions companies make and the experiences we encounter. So the next time your streaming app suggests the perfect movie or show, remember, this isn't magic. It's big data at work, influencing our daily lives in ways we might not even notice. One of the most common ways big data impacts us is through personalized recommendations. You see, when you're curled up on the couch browsing Netflix, or perhaps adding items to your Amazon cart, or even creating a new playlist on Spotify, big data is hard at work. It's quietly observing and learning from your choices, your preferences, and your habits. But how does it work? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. These services aren't just taking a wild guess at what you might like. Instead, they're utilizing powerful algorithms to analyze the vast amounts of data they've collected from you and millions of other users. They're sifting through this data, looking for patterns and trends, learning more about who you are and what you enjoy, and the result? A highly personalized, tailor-made experience just for you. So, the next time you find a new favorite show or song, remember, it's not magic, it's data. These algorithms process millions of data points to tailor suggestions specifically for you. Big data is also revolutionizing our homes and healthcare. Let's start with smart homes. Picture your thermostat learning your daily routine, understanding when you wake up, depart for work, and come back home. By processing this data, it can adjust your home's temperature to optimize comfort and energy efficiency, all without you lifting a finger. And what about voice-activated assistants? They remember your commands, learning your preferences to play your favorite tunes or control your lights, all thanks to big data. Now, let's talk about healthcare. Wearable devices like fitness trackers have become our personal health monitors. They continuously collect data about our physical activities, sleep patterns, and heart rate. This constant stream of data is not just a log of our lives, it's a gold mine of health insights. By analyzing this data, we can better understand our health, and healthcare professionals can make more informed diagnoses and treatment plans. This information helps you stay informed about your health and provides valuable insights to healthcare professionals for a better diagnosis and treatment plans. Ever wondered how ride-sharing apps like Uber find the quickest routes, or how retailers enhance your shopping experience? Buckle up as we uncover the power of big data in transportation and retail. Ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft use big data to optimize your journey. They analyze real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and driver availability to calculate the quickest, most efficient route. Similarly, navigation apps use data from millions of users to provide up-to-date traffic information and suggest the best routes. This is big data in the driver's seat, ensuring your ride is as smooth as possible. In the retail world, big data is like a personal shopper, tailoring your experience to your preferences. Retailers analyze your shopping habits to offer personalized discounts, manage stock effectively, and predict what products are likely to be in demand. They can even anticipate your next purchase based on your shopping history. Have you ever received a coupon right after buying something online? That's big data in action, predicting what you might want next. Of course, with all these benefits, data privacy is crucial. We can't ignore the fact that the more data we share, the more vulnerable we become to potential privacy breaches. Companies, big and small, have a responsibility to protect our data. And this is not just a legal obligation, but a moral one as well. They must ensure that the data they collect is used ethically and for the intended purpose only. However, the responsibility doesn't fall solely on companies. We, as users, need to be aware of the information we're sharing and with whom. We should take steps to protect our privacy online, such as using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed we are, the safer we'll be in this data-driven world. Thanks for riding along with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of tech.